2022 Ram 2500. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us